Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Jess and I'm so glad that you are here. In today's video we are going to be decluttering, organizing and cleaning up the master wardrobe or closet. So as you can see, I am sitting on my bed because it is currently 8:30 in the morning or 8:30. And I haven't made much of a start to the day. I'll get my words out in a minute, but it is kind of late for me. My mornings start at like 6:30 or earlier based on when my 3-year-old wakes up, or almost 3-year-old wakes up. So today 8:30 is late for me because he woke up at 6:30 or 6 o'clock, I think it was. Anyway, I'm finally making a start to the day and I'm ready to tackle the disaster that is my wardrobe. Yeah, it's been a bit of a disaster in there at the moment. I'm trying to not like come out of bad lighting because I have really good lighting right here. As you can see, my bed's not made, so that is the first job, to make my bed so I can take everything out of my wardrobe and put it on the bed and go through it. So this is what my wardrobe is looking like at the moment. There are literally 2 cats up in the corner there and I'm gonna have to disturb them, which is sad, but this is what my wardrobe is looking like right now. So it's a complete and utter disaster. This chair is literally in here because I had to take this one to the vet and I had to get him down, and we don't have a stepladder, and so that has just stayed here because I haven't taken it back out. This here is a basket of warm clothes because it is winter here in Australia right now, and I have just been trying to get all our winter clothes out and put away, and that's as far as I got with that. Then in the process of this, my toddler spilt, I don't know if that's the right word. I don't know why there's a piece of a bed thingy down here. Anyway, in the process of this, I was doing washing and my toddler has dumped out all of the clean washing on the floor, around the chair. Oop. Speaking of the toddler. And then all out here has dumped all of our clean washing. So firstly, we're going to make the bed, put away that washing, or like fold it at least. Then it's time to take out everything from this wardrobe. Okay, so it is many hours later. It is currently 3:30 in the afternoon, and I got as far as making the bed and putting the stuff on it because the camera battery died and it's taken this long for it to charge, and I don't have a spare, but I need to get one. So let's just get into it now.
Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay, 'cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, 'cause baby I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right. need you the most. Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost. Cause baby, I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you tryna fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Where you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be
Pretty dusty up there. I'm gonna have to get up there and bring that chair back and clean it up. But whew. But before we clean it up, I have to duck out and get some baskets, I think, because I'd like to keep this a little bit more organized. So my cat is scratching at the door. Yes. And I think I'm going to bring you guys along with me. So let's go. Okay, so I got 2 baskets. They're just a light grey. They're not really what I was after, but that's sort of all that they had, and they'll do. They're nice and deep. Got some cat toys because my kitties are spoiled. And then this basket here is going to be for the bathroom, kitchen. And then I got us a burrito kit because that's what we're having for dinner, and milk because we're out of it, and me a drink because felt like it. But that's what I got, as well as a curtain rod that's hanging out the... Okay, so it is a number of hours later again. We've had dinner, we've had a shower, little man is in bed, and now it is time that I can finally finish this so I can go to bed. But if I can just get yourself here, this is what the current situation is looking like. This stuff everywhere, pile of shoes that'll go back, but I think I showed these before, but these are the baskets that I got. I'm thinking, ooh, if I can get them apart, I'm thinking I'm probably just putting both up there. Put both up there. One will probably have the shoes in it because then it just saves having such a mess down here. Probably have shoes in there because we don't really use those shoes very often, and then the other one will just have bits and bobs and things in it, and yeah. But now what I need to do is go through all of this. I think what I want to do is move this stuff over to here and move this cupboard here. I just think it'll look a bit nicer, so I'm gonna need some help for that. Yeah, what I think I'm going to do is leave the bags there, obviously, because they look a bit cluttered, and this guy over here because that has all of Brody's clothes in it, and these, all of my clothes are gonna go along here, I think is the plan. And then up here it's gonna be pretty empty, I think, over this side, but we'll see, which is the goal. That's the goal, actually.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. Sleeping in the back of a van, roaming in the wilderness. We'll never need a plan. We'll be alright, just you and I. Singing from the top of our lungs, dancing by the lakeside. Gonna do it while we're young. In a moment it will all be gone. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. Someday we will look back and our hearts will be whole again. I want to remember all that happened to us. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. Oh yeah, oh yeah. This summer night, this summer night. Oh, these summer nights. I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, deep down. And it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes. And you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, yeah, I can carry all that you've got. Two heavy hearts is not a lot. I will put out all of the fire. We stumble and fall. And it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes. And you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light.
Okay, Okay, so it's pretty late now, so I'm going to finish up pretty quickly and then I'll show you the after.